Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use ClickUp for productivity, complete guide step by step clearly. First, create an account on ClickUp's website. Choose a plan that suits your needs, whether it's free or one of the paid options. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Here, you'll find an overview of all your tasks, projects, and notifications. Next, start by creating a new workspace. A workspace allows you to organize different projects or teams under one umbrella. Within your workspace, create a folder for a specific project. Folders are useful for grouping related lists. Now, add lists to your folder. Lists represent the individual tasks or milestones within your project. To create a task, click on the plus New Task button within your list. Fill in the task details such as title, description, and due date. You can also assign tasks to team members. To do this, simply click on the Assign to field and select your teammate's name. Next, prioritize tasks using the Priority feature. ClickUp allows you to set tasks as low, medium, high, or urgent. Utilize the due dates and time tracking features for better management. Link related tasks by using dependencies. This option shows the relationship and order of tasks for efficient workflow. Consider using ClickUp's time estimates to plan your workload better. You can add estimates in the time tracking section of each task. For team collaboration, use the comments section in each task. This is where you can share updates and ask questions directly related to the task. You can also attach files for easier access to necessary documents. Now, let's explore ClickUp's views. Switch between List View, Board View, and Calendar View as per your preference. This flexibility allows you to visualize your tasks in a way that works best for you. If you need to analyze progress, utilize ClickUp's reporting features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.